Habang lumalago po ang mga bagong uri ng krimen, patuloy din ang paghahanda ng ating mga public safety officers. At ngayon tunghayan natin ang kwento ng 43 officers na nagtapos sa espesyal na pagsasanay para labanan ng cybercrime at mas protektahan ang publiko. Narito panoorin nating lahat.
Sa patuloy na hangarin na mapaglingkuran at maipagtanggol ang publiko, patuloy ang ating mga public safety officers sa pagkalap ng mga kaalaman na makatutulong sa kanila para magampanan ang tungkuling kanilang sinumpaan. Patunay dito ang 43 public safety officers na nagsipagtapos ng Public Safety Advanced Course at Cyber Intermediate Course, mga kaalaman para masugpo ang lumalalang hamon ng cybercrime sa ating bansa.
Ngayon, ang dami ng mga hacking complaints of the citizenry. So we have to bring our patrollers as cyber warriors sa baba so they can engage the community directly.
Malaki ang may tutulong na mga ganitong kaalaman sa ating kapulisan, lalo na sa tinatawag nilang quad concept approach ng Philippine National Police o PNP.
Our policemen are familiar, of course, with the quad concept. So nandiyan na yung intelligence. So that means our intelligence officers must be able to exploit yung data analytics, available data, where they can be able to do their own forecasting. Ganun na rin yung when we say investigation.
Student officers of the Public Safety Officers Advanced Course, Class 2024-25, Class Excalibur, and also Police Captain Elaine G. Yabro. Police Captain Dagamboy is the top 8 of the Cyber Intermediate Course. Police Captain Danny Tigyan Mayuga and Police Captain Achilles Yabot Tad. Congratulations!
Ang mga nagsipagtapos ay dumaan sa masusing pagsasanay sa pagpapaunlad ng kanilang digital competencies, tulad na lang ng ethical hacking.
We have a module that is ethical hacking, in which they got to handle or they got to practice how to identify red flags in the system. That's why I think they are really prepared after undergoing this 240 hours of training in the National Cyber Training Institute.
Sabi nga nila, when we invest in our students, we invest in our country's safety, stability, and sovereignty. At patunay dito ang 43 na public safety officers na patuloy na magsisilbing guardians of peace from community to cyberspace.